Imagine a home so revolutionary it changed the course of West Coast architecture forever. A house that floats above the landscape, with walls that disappear and a roof that defies physics. Welcome to Silvertop, the architectural masterpiece that makes most homes look like they're stuck in the past. In the next 5 minutes, we're diving into one of the most technically innovative homes ever built. This is the story of genius, audacity, and a vision so ahead of its time, it took 60 years to fully realize it. In 1956, legendary architect John Lautner sat down with industrialist Kenneth Rayner on a hilltop overlooking Silver Lake in Los Angeles. Rayner had one ask: create something nobody's ever seen before. What Lautner designed wasn't just a house, it was a statement. A 4,700 square foot residence that would redefine what modern living could be. And the centerpiece? A pre-stressed concrete roof spanning 80 feet, literally bending to follow the natural contours of the land. To put that in perspective, that's longer than a tennis court. And it was all poured in one continuous sweep. Revolutionary doesn't even begin to cover it, but here's where Silvertop gets absolutely wild. Lautner packed this home with features that wouldn't become mainstream for decades. First, one of the world's first infinity pools. We're talking 1956, and this home had technology that wouldn't become trendy until the 2000s. Second, an airfloor heating and cooling system that kept the entire house at the perfect temperature without visible vents or radiators. But the crown jewel? A retractable glass wall that transforms the living room entirely. Slide it open, and boom, unobstructed views of the Pacific Ocean to the west and mountains to the east. Fully open living, decades before anyone was talking about open concept design. These weren't just nice-to-haves. These were genuine innovations born from Lautner's obsession with blending interior and exterior technology and nature, form, and function. Here's the catch. Silvertop sat unfinished for decades. In the 1970s, the Birchill family completed portions of it, but the house never quite became what Lautner intended. Then, in 2014, something magical happened. Luke Wood, former president of Beats by Dr. Dre, and his wife Sophia Nardin purchased Silvertop. They didn't just buy a house, they bought a legacy. They brought in architect Barbara Bestor, who faced an impossible task: restore a masterpiece while honoring its original vision and bringing it into the 21st century. Bestor didn't bulldoze history, she enhanced it. That glass wall that originally chugged like a locomotive, now it glides with barely a whisper. The kitchen was returned to Lautner's original design, featuring vertical cypress panels that dance against the horizontal geometry of the home. But the real investment was in technology. Over $1 million went to lighting alone, upgrading systems to meet contemporary efficiency standards without sacrificing the home's original aesthetic. All told, the restoration cost roughly $8.55 million for the purchase, plus another $8.55 million in renovations. $17 million to bring one man's 60-year-old dream into the future. The result? The AIA Los Angeles Merit Award for Adaptive Reuse, a residential design award of excellence from Daicomomo, US, and the admiration of architects worldwide. Silvertop isn't just a home. It's proof that great design doesn't age. It transcends time. John Lautner's vision, realized 60 years later, reminds us that architecture isn't about the moment you build it. It's about creating something so visionary that the future has to catch up. If you love architecture, design, or just witnessing human ambition in concrete and glass, hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, what's the most innovative home you've ever seen?